No. I'm a bunny.
That's right, it's upside down. No. Yay, you did it! Who's that? What are you doing? Do you have the hiccups?
Yes. Get some milk.
Get the milk, Becca. Take your milk out and I'll get you some. I'll pour it for you.